Hi everyone, it's Niamh here and welcome to my art journaling channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and I hope you find lots of stuff on the hundreds of videos I've now got up in this channel that pique your interest and want to explore. I just wanted to check in before 2020 to let you know about some really exciting stuff that's coming up next year. So after talking through the community tab on my channel, I discovered that most people are really happy with my schedule of 2 videos a week. So there's always a video that goes up on a Tuesday and a Friday around 8 o'clock Australian Eastern Standard Time. And because I tend to get a little bit ahead of schedule, you'll occasionally get a few extra bonus videos on the Saturdays and so on, but there will always be 2 videos a week. However, in January, there's going to be a lot more bonus content going up because I was very, very, very lucky before, on Christmas Eve actually, to receive a lovely box of brand new materials that are going to be released at Creativation at the end of January, which I've been asked to do some projects for. So from the 7th of January onwards, there's going to be a few extra videos going up each week using lots and lots of new product, which I've been having so much fun with. So please stay tuned for that. Also starting in January, I have been really lucky to be asked to be part of the Mixed Up Media Creative Academy, and I'm one of the tutors for their Savvy Supplies School. This is a 12-week course using stuff that you find around your house. Really, really basic toolkit, so you don't need to have everything. You will find it in your house. So it's about using the stuff we have and using it really effectively. So I've got 2 projects in that, looking at making some mini books. So I would suggest that if you've got any cardboard boxes left over from Christmas, you may like to keep 1 or 2 of them aside because you may be using them in a project that I've got planned for you. With the Mixed Up Creative Academy, I've got lots of projects that will be coming up during the year. So one will be on a workshop on colour and composition, and my class, and that's using analogous colours that sit together in the colour wheel. Also looking at inspired by famous artists, so that will be coming up later in the year, and be part of the image transfer mini course that will be coming up. And the large or major project for the year, which will be happening around June, July, is called Wellspring. There's a whole range of tutors to do that, and it's all about exploring art journaling and how it links to your well-being and creative. And that's something I'm really, really passionate about because that's why I art journal. So I'm really excited to be part of that process as well. So I will stick in the description box below all the links to those classes. And for those people who've sort of been asking if I do online classes, this is the closest that I've got so far to doing online classes. So please check them out. I hope you really enjoy them. I've certainly had lots and lots of fun putting the classes together. The other exciting thing that's will be coming up, and again that's through Mixed Up Creative Academy, is I'll be running my own workshop, which is basically like my own online class. So it's all my content. Most of the other ones are working with other tutors. So that's still a work in progress, but I've got some great ideas coming up for that, and that should be released around, I think it's March. So I will definitely let you know either on here or through Instagram. So please follow those, or on my Facebook page. Again, the links are on my description box below so that you know where to find me. Finally, I just want to say thank you so much for all your support for the last 2 years I've been going on this channel, and I wish you a really happy, healthy and safe 2020, and I cannot wait to create with you and to bring lots of lovely artwork to your houses and certainly for you to send your artwork, pictures of your artwork back to me. I love reading your comments. I've been getting so many recently. I've been finding it really difficult to respond to all of them, but it's lovely when people message me or contact me through Instagram and show me pictures or tag me in pictures of stuff they've created. it just fills my heart to see you guys getting out there and creating at the same time, which I really, really love. So thank you so much for all your support. And I'm really looking forward to sharing a really, really fun art journey with you in 2020. Bye for now.